Hello buddies, welcome to Coding Island YouTube channel. In this video I will teach you awesome people how to earn money using ChatGPT and a simple trick. So let's get into my computer screen for step-by-step process. Here now I am on screen and open my computer browser, which in my case is Firefox. I will type Udemy in search box to show you Udemy courses. I will click on udemy.com. In Udemy, millions of people make courses on different topics and fields of study, and earn a lot of money from it. This is Udemy official page, and you scroll down to see here you can see how much they earn from simple courses, and thousands of people buy these courses and learn so much stuff from it. These are some of best-selling courses, as you can see: complete web development courses in 2023, also Python courses, SEO courses, and more and more. You can go to categories section and search for your desired category. Udemy is relaxed platform and offers so much tools for creating courses. You can also make these courses using ChatGPT. I will show you that. Again, I am on my browser, and I will type ChatGPT, which is a handy tool for building these courses with like a magic. With no headache. I am on Google main page now. Here I will click on first link, which is OpenAi API. Using ChatGPT you need account, or you can log in with your own Google account, also Microsoft account, for using this awesome product. I am on ChatGPT page, where you can see lots of free defined template for testing purposes. Also on left side you can see different option and setting you can play around with. In my case I will make HTML programming language course for Udemy, so I will type HTML introduction in search of ChatGPT and press enter, so this will display HTML complete introduction, which you can use as introduction chapter in your course. You can stop generating this by just simply click on stop generating more text. Here I also search for HTML tags and you can see complete list of it. So you can organize your course that you want and earn a lot of money by selling these courses and other platform, even YouTube also.